Hello, welcome to Code Alpha. Today we are going to make an age calculator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's review the app first, which we are going to make. It's a simple age calculator that calculates age according to the date of birth, choosing from the given calendar, or you can type date of birth manually. Let's start coding. First, make a folder on desktop and name it Age Calculator. Open this folder, type CMD in search bar, and click Enter. Command prompt will be open. Type code space dot and click Enter, and it will open this folder in Visual Studio Code. Then here create 3 files, one for HTML, one for CSS, and one for JavaScript. In HTML, type exclamation mark and click Enter. It will generate a standard HTML structure. Then change the title here. Age Calculator. Add the link of your style sheet, which is styles.css. In the body, create a div and give it a class container. In this container class, create a heading of Age Calculator. Now create a form and give it an ID age form. In this form, create a label for birth date and in this label type text. Enter your birth date. Then create an input field of type date and give it to ID birth date and make this required. To see live preview of your HTML page, open Live Server extension. Here you can see live preview of your page. Then create a button of type Submit for Calculate Age. Create another div and give it to an ID result. Lastly, add your JavaScript file into your HTML page. That's it for the HTML. Now we move towards CSS. Here we style our HTML page. First, we style the body of HTML. Style the container class. Style the heading. Style the label. Style the input field. Style the button. Style the button when it hovers. Style the result. That's it for CSS. Now we move towards JavaScript. This line selects the HTML form element with the ID form and attaches an event listener to it. The listener listens for the submit event, which triggers when the user submits the form. The function will be executed when the event occurs. This method prevents the default form submission behavior. The default form submission behavior in HTML occurs when a user submits a form. By preventing the default behavior, you can create a more interactive and fluid user experience. This line gets the value from the input field with the ID birthdate and converts it into a JavaScript date object, which makes it easier to change and compare dates. Here, a new date object representing the current date and time is created and stored in the variable today. This calculates the initial age by subtracting the birth year from the current year today. This line calculates the difference in months between the current date and the birth date. It stores this difference in the variable month difference. This conditional statement checks two things. If month difference is less than 0, it means the birthday hasn't occurred yet this year. If the months are the same means if month difference is equal to 0, it checks whether today's date is before the birth date. If either condition is true, the birthday hasn't occurred yet this year. If the above condition is met, this line decreases the calculated age by 1, correcting the initial estimate. This line selects the div with the ID result and sets its text content to display the calculated age in a user-friendly message. That's it. Our app is complete. Let's test it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe for more programming-related videos. See you in the next video.